Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome back. So today's trading session, we attacked Netflix. So you see today is April 22nd, 11:39 a.m. in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. You see my account right there, margin account, full blown account. So let me get my disclaimer out of the way first. I can't give you any financial advice, any investment advice, any taxation advice, or any legal advice because I'm not certified or licensed or accredited to do so with any of the government agencies. I don't have my Series 7s or my Series 33 or any of my series licenses with the SEC, so I'm not a licensed stockbroker or a licensed financial planner or any of those designatory bodies, so this is my own personal journey. If you want to follow me, that's great. You can't hold me liable for any losses that you may or may not occur. You can't hold me liable or my corporations or my entities or my JV partners or my affiliates or my employees or subcontractors or for any losses, right? Options and stocks are highly speculative and highly volatile. You could lose your entire investment. My recommendation to you is to always take your trades in a paper money account or a virtual simulator until you are proven profitable, all right? So I got to get my disclaimer up there as well because I've been advised that I have to get that put up there. So there's my legal notice, well, one of my legal notices, and the rest of them you'll see on the YouTube description. Then you go click on over, go to my site. You can read everything over there as well. All right, so let's get that out of the way. Have to get it out of the way because some people are just really, really, really weird. So this is my own personal journey. You're under no obligation to be following me or taking any trades that I may or may not take or anything, right? So there we go. So we attacked Netflix today. And what do we always do? Today we were running with Fibonacci retracements. So you see I got the Fibonacci retracements right there. And Netflix, Netflix came out of the gate this morning. I was kind of surprised by it. So let's kind of move this over here so that you can see it. So if I'm not looking at you, as I'm talking, I'm looking at my screens over here. So forgive the lack of eye contact if you see any. So what do we do? I did draw the box out, got rid of it, don't need it, because today we're doing Fibonacci retracements. So you can see here when Netflix opened up, it was right around here, right? So when I drew up my Fibonacci retracements, I waited to take this trade. So we're on a 1 minute candle. So this is like maybe like 6-7 minutes into it. Let me come over here and do the 5 minute. Come over here and do the 5 minute for you so that you see it. So I waited for this trade to develop, and that's when I took my trade right there. I'm looking for Netflix. Waiting for Netflix to pass this line here, pass this line. And then what happened was I got in on this candle right here, and then Netflix ripped. It's crazy. Crazy rip right up here to 226.27. And then I was just like, whoop. All right, let's see what's going to happen here because I was pretty much should have been out of my position because this is right here in Fibonacci 23.6. So I let it climb all the way up here to 25%. So I was kind of really out of my position. But then I knew, I'm looking at the rest of the market and I'm just like, you know what, this market is going to like roll over, it's going to turn. So you got to hold your position, right? When it hits the high, the way the Netflix was bouncing right now, you know it's going to come back down. So I'm waiting for it to hit 216.98 because that'll flush it right out if it's walking down. So that's exactly what I did. I walked this stock down from 226 225. So got in at 221, walked it down to 216 and change, and got out, right? So let me show you the overall Netflix over here. You see the amount that I made, profit and loss, $26.95. So you'll see here, I'll open this up right here so you see exactly what I took. Went in on the 222.50 puts. That's when I got hammered, right? And made out $561. And then I went in and got the 217.5 puts, right? And then you see that right there for 21.34. You see what the options are right now, what they're worth. When I bought these were like 75 cents, and then was like $1.18. So these were like $1.18, and these were like 75 cents. I mean, look at the movement on that. Like you can't, like that's incredible, right? And then we took a loss, a gigantic loss, not a gigantic loss, but we took a loss on FB right here on Facebook. I was actually positive on Facebook. So let's go over to Facebook here. And the reason why I'm showing you everything here is because I'm being super transparent here. You're not going to see this stuff from all these other social media, Forex traders, option traders, stock traders, crypto traders, investment traders on YouTube and social media. They don't show you this stuff, right? They hide. All they do is they talk, and they talk a lot of smack. They talk a lot of smack, and they talk a lot of hype, and they never show you their accounts. You don't know what they're doing. They say they're making all these wins. You never see their losses. They don't talk about losses, and they don't show losses, right? Well, look at what I'm doing. Look at what Double P is doing. I'm being fully transparent, 100% transparent. You get to see everything. So on Facebook, I sent out a trade, and the trade was working. The trade was working for me. So the thing where I got caught, let me break this down on a 2-minute candle so that you understand what happened. When I took this trade, there's the box. And then you see Facebook hit a high 192.72. I took the trade right here because this was what I was looking at. And then Facebook is notorious for this. Like they're notorious for always doing bounces and reversals. And this is a consolidation right here, right? So I was like, oh, okay. Now the consolidation is going to happen and it's going to drop, which it did. And then it just reversed. It was an ugly reversal here. So this was like 2, 4, this was like 2, 4, 6, 8. This was like a 10-minute reversal, and I just couldn't hold the position because of how I got in right here. And it was just too much, right? And then the second that I close my position for a loss, this is what happens, right? Facebook just tanks, and then it bounces back up, then it's chop, then it just moves back down again, then it drops, then there's a little bit of a rally, then it drops, then it peters off, then it drops again. Had I held that position and just kind of bit the bullet, this would have been a positive trade for me because this is when I got my execution. That's when I got filled. I mean, all I had to do was wait, and I probably would have got out right around here, right? So it happens, right? You win some, you lose some. So there was a loss and there was a win. The win was bigger than the loss. So net, it was a great day for me. You know, you see it right there, $2,100 today for trading probably less than, well, I don't know, probably about 25 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe a half an hour. And that's it. So somewhere in this video, if you like what you see, somewhere in this video, you're going to see a link to my site. Head on over to the site. Become a member of the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group. I got version 3.0 coming out. This stuff is kick butt. You've seen here transparency. I'm a fully transparent guy. One of the only, literally, one of the few transparent guys that you're going to see that's trading, real live trading, that shows you everything. I'm not hiding nothing. I'm publicly accountable on my channel when I'm trading. Do you see this from other option traders? Do you see this from other Forex traders? Do you see this from other investment traders, master traders, and master forex traders and all other kind of stuff? And do you see this from any stock traders? You know, all these gurus and these crypto traders. You see all this transparency? You don't see it. You want to know why you don't see it? Because they're afraid to show it to you. So what does that tell you? And then they want you to buy their programs and their courses and join their Discord groups and their paid groups and all this other kind of stuff, right? Here it is right here. I'm not here to fight with anybody. That's not my style. That's not my bag. That's not my game, right? I'm here to show you transparency in trading. If you like what you've been seeing over the last literally 10 months or whatever I've been starting on my YouTube channel, then you know where to go to join the group, right? Because you're going to get transparency. You're going to get it all, right? I'm going to help you. So that being said, look at FB. See? Now it's just going for a little, now it's going for a little bit of a dump, right? Could I have held trades a little bit longer today? Probably. But today is Expiration Friday, right? Look at that, 212. That would have been a monster trade for me had I held that position from right here. That would have been like probably about a $24,000, $25,000 day today, just on that one trade. But you know what? I'm happy and I'm blessed and I'm very okay with making $2,100 today. How many people can say that they've done that, right? On a day to day in, day out, or more or less, right? So hit that smash that like button, head on over to the site. Love to have you as a member. I'm going to be trading. Version 3.0 is coming out. I'm going to be showing you how to work Fibonacci extensions and Fibonacci retracements and the box. I'm going to be showing you the right suite of indicators, if you do use them, what to put with your actual charting package so that without a shadow of doubt, you have confirmation when you want to be taking your trades, right? And obviously, you know, then the rest is just the mindset for staying in the trade and have a little bit of gut, you know, staying in that trade and just letting the trade work for you. All right, so that being said, my name is Double P. I'll see you in the next trading session. Over and out. Take care, everybody.